Hello guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. My name is Raham Sheikh and in today's video, I'm going to talk about for each loop in Terraform. Let's say you want to create three different servers, but all of the three different servers need to have different kind of names. Let's say server number 1 will be dev, server number 2 will be test, and server number 3 will be prod. With the help of the count, we cannot create the server with different names. But we can use for each loop in order to make server's name with different names. So you can go and see, I am taking for each loop. And in order to get the values, I am using toset function. It's a function and I am defining three different values, dev, test, and prod server. So I can see my AMI, instance type are same, but when it comes to name, each dot key. What is the first key here? Dev server. So once dev server got created, again the loop will repeat. Again, I'll get second value as test server, same AMI, same instance type. Again loop will repeat. Same AMI, same instance type, but the third one is going to be prod server. Like that, we can create different server names with the help of for each. Thank you.